you.
Thank you. Yeah, next we have Rima.
Hi. Yung successfully launch yung EP mo, after ba nito, mas focus ka na sa career mo sa music or sa acting?
As of now, I'm focusing on my music because, you know, it's the very first dream that I really had. Simula ng 2019, Idol Philippines, and this is it. I'm already starting now with Grit, and gusto kong ipagpatuloy siya. Kasi yun yung pinaka-passion ko eh, and I'm so excited to release more songs if you ask me. Kaya ba? Hindi ko sasabihin, syempre, secret muna.
So wala muna tayong aasahan na acting project?
Wala.
Okay, thank you.
We'll see.
Mika? Yeah, ako siya.
Hi, Angie. Since na-try mo na din yung acting from Linlang, and then yung singing mo din from your Git album, which is congratulations, by the way. Are you looking forward na mag-try din ng theater, pagpasok sa theater? I mean, after your Tabing Ilog experience, are you trying to try more?
I would do more theater. If you guys know how relaxing theater is, although stress pa rehearsals ha, pero the satisfaction that you have, the discipline that you have there was so amazing. And I love the people that I worked with. And it was so fun doing Tabing Ilog, of course. It was one of the best days of my life during 2023. And I would definitely do more.
Anong natutunan mo dun sa pagiging parte ng Tabing Ilog?
Pagiging parte ng Tabing Ilog, accept me. Kasi you won't be as vulnerable as you want it to be. You won't be as vulnerable as you want to be as your character if you don't accept your flaws. So they made us do that, and it's fun.
Yung natutunan mo ba from that and then sa mga nakarang project mo is nare-reflect sa EP mo, which is The Greed.
Yes.
What's all about Greed, and what's your favorite song from it?
What's all about grit? So you mean the meaning of grit?
Everything, your process or the meaning, pati yung proseso ng paggawa mo, are you part of it?
Yeah, actually tinanong ako nito ni Sir Rox kung anong gusto kong i-title sa EP. So I asked him na to give me the whole songs, like the whole song sa EP. And then I asked him if he could give me a moment because I wanted to absorb each songs. And then I realized that each of that songs are a chapter of that EP, and that EP is a story, is a book. So it talks about, falling in love, getting betrayed, and you accept yourself, you accept your flaws, and then you became a masterpiece of loving oneself. Because that is more important than anything else. It's accepting and loving yourself more. And just telling others na yeah, you're just gonna be there. I'm not gonna accept that unnecessary. Kasi may good na pwedeng sabihin sa'yo ng iba, at meron namang constructive criticisms, at meron namang yung alam mong bully na. So you should know how to identify which one you should listen to. And accept it, and then work on yourself. But at the end of the day, dapat din na you won't have to be too hard on yourself. And so the songs are a chapter of that story. And Grit talks about, as I said earlier, na it's about for the two children, na we don't allow anyone to standardize us. We don't allow anyone to tell us kung saan lang tayo. We don't allow anyone to limit us on what we can do. So we go further, we go beyond what they say. So you didn't hurt me, and I'm gonna go further. And sa each songs, yung pinaka-favorite ko, actually lahat. Pero since siya yung key track ng whole EP, it's You Didn't. It's because the word or the title itself is already a statement. And you did it. I'm here, I'm still standing in front of you, fighting, and we'll always fight. We'll always be fighting, and I'm always gonna be here standing tall. Whatever you say, I'm going to reach my dreams.
Thank you so much, and congratulations.
Okay, we have a question here from Tessa.
Hi, hello, Ange. Nice to see you. You look very lovely. We were actually just saying that pwede ka mag-beauty queen. I read your background and you have, like, before tried in beauty pageants, so maybe where you live. Pero anong plans mo in that direction?
In that direction, you know, I don't want to go on somewhere that I know I don't have a purpose.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to be in a Miss Universe stage just to be there.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to be there because I wanted to give that impact sa lahat ng tao na nakakapanood na sa akin. And you know, if you're a advocate of something, you should have a purpose.
Yes.
You should have a drive.
Yes. Is there something that you're advocating right now that you think babagay sa beauty contest?
Siguro po yung, you know, fighting for women.
Mm-hmm.
Dapat
Women
as
empowerment. Yes.
Women empowerment. We stand side by side with each other, not bringing each other down. And isa doon siguro yung mga bata. Kasi malapit ako sa mga bata, malapit sa puso ko yung mga bata. And I believe na, you know, we should be a better role model to them because these kids will be the future adults that our next generation will look up to. So we should live, you know, na with legacy,
Mm-hmm.
a good legacy for them na they could share din sa susunod na kapanahon namin.
So, yes or no, is there a possibility that you will join a beauty pageant?
That's so
Pwedeng maybe. Pwedeng maybe. Okay, yes, no, or maybe.
question. Maybe.
Maybe, okay. Yes. Of course, I love the title of your new EP. Grit is something that I think even children now need a little bit more of. Sanay na sanay kasi sila that everything comes quickly to them because of the internet. No? But I think reading on an interview that you did with ABS-CBN News, yung grit naman na kinailangan mo is a little bit different because of what happened to you, you know, like through, am I right to say that since joining PBB, kinailangan mo bang damihan pa yung grit mo? Tell us kung paano yan nag-grow and bakit mo kinailangan and why you know, at your age, you can actually say already that you had hit rock bottom.
Yeah. Kasi, you know,
Sorry to have to make you recall, but
it's okay.
It's okay.
It's already the past.
Yes,
And,
yes.
you know, in life kasi, it's not every time you were given something, but na, you know, you're getting something for free. I came from a very humbling living. Hindi kami mayaman, so I really have to work hard. And looking back, na what I've been through, so I really have to have that grit.
Yes.
Kasi,
So, simula pa lang.
simula pa lang. Kasi una-una sa lahat, tatlo lang kami sa family ko. My mom, my brother, and me. And wala na kaming dad. So, as an older sister, as the eldest, I have to stand up because my mom, she's a nurse, but then we all know that nurses here aren't paid well.
Mhm.
Overworked and underpaid.
Mhm.
And minsan, di pa nababayaran. So, so ganyan. So, ang naawa ko sa mom ko, and I have to, you know, stand up then for, if I have to take my dad's place, I will, for them. So, they are my grit. They are the grit that I'm holding on. And they're my inspiration. That's why I've always have that grit in life. It's because tatlo na lang kami. Sino ba ang magtutulungan sa amin? Hindi kami lang.
Okay, and then moving on, PBB proved well, ikaw ang naging winner, and that's, I'm sure, to do with the grit that you had, ano. And then sa pagiging nasa showbiz since 2021, have you had to, you know, medyo push pa more ang grit?
Push talaga.
At bakit mo kailangan itong gawin?
Kasi showbiz is a whole different world. If you guys know, you think it's easy? No, it's not. Because you are, of course, it's a fact na, yeah, we are public property, so people can scrutinize you, people can hurt you if you allow them to. And it's really hard kasi no matter how hard you do, it will never be enough sa others.
Yes.
But, kaya dapat may grit pa rin you know, for you to be grounded and for you to have that, passion to go further in life.
Despite what they say, no?
Despite what you
But
say.
has there been a time na na-affect ka talaga nito?
Oo, sino ba namang hindi? We're all humans, all of you. All of you can get hurt. Sasabihin ko lang ang pangit mo, masasaktan ka. Lahat tayo nasasaktan. We're all humans. We feel. And that's the beauty of it.
So yun din ba yung nakakontribute sa what do you think to your being sick siguro last
Yes,
year?
I
Kasi di ba everything, it affects
it's a fact.
everything about you.
Kaya yung ngayon, motto ko ngayon is that you manifest what you, or you attract. Ay, ano pala yun? I forgot to say, wait. You are what you attract.
Okay. So you have to show, kung ano ikaw, di ba? And what you want to happen to you, that's what you throw out into the world, and that's what's going to come back to you. Okay, we can see that having all that grit and growing that grit through your years, even though they're still very short in show business, has really done so well for you. You look your best right now, I have to say. And I think yung passion mo, nararamdaman talaga namin that you wanna move forward and keep going. So congratulations on the EP and good luck to you,
Thank you so
Ange.
much. I hope you guys will be there, March 16, 7 p.m.
Thanks, Miss
Tama
Tessa.
kayo.
Okay. Ana Pingo, we have a question.
Naubos ni Tessa eh. Diyos.
Miss Tessa, thank you.
Ano lang, yun, since inamin mo naman na naka-apekto din sa'yo yung mga nangyayari. Sino o paano mo nalagpasan or during nung nangyayari mga yun, sino mga support system mo na nagpapabalik ng pag-ayos ng mental health mo and everything?
Hindi naman ako nasiraan ng bait, pero but I would say it's my family and my friends, my hometown friends and my childhood friends. Una-una sa lahat, when I went back to Siargao December and went back here again to sabak na naman sa buhay, di ba? Bakasyon lang na mabilis, tapos sasabak ulit tayo. Hindi tayo sa suko, girls. Ay, this is suko, guys. And girls. And and everyone.
And me.
And there's a lot of realizations after I went back here. I realized na, it's God's way of humbling us. Na not every time, He'll give you the best. But He'll also give you something that will challenge you. If itetest ka niya kung saan mo pa kaya bang gawin yung gusto mo pang marating. And I'm so grateful that through prayers through my family, I've always been calling them ever since. Kasi before, medyo nakalimutan ko. Kasi yun yung nakalimutan ko last year, na yung tumawag sa family more. Because I'm so busy na, work, money, and then I forget about them. And that's not good for everyone. Wag puro work. Call your family too. So yeah, that helps a lot. Calling them more, talking to them more, connect, bond with them more. It helps me a lot to, to be where I am today. And I love them for that so much. And they're my inspiration, so
obviously you came out the victor naman.
yes.
Kaya pwede mo sabihin na you thought you hurt me but you didn't.
Didn't.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ana P.